I had the camera backwards until how awake I am this morning. All right, day 117. Saw last night was line dancing night, and Silver was running like shit at the end of the video. I just switched the tune back one, and I think that's where we're staying there because I'm tired of this. So anyway, it's running great, and I think it's ready to go cross country. We'll see. I'll know more after Saturday when I take it on a nice little jog. So that'll kind of be my test and tune session, if you will. Mama Badger's bike will, you know, give it a good shakedown. Everything's good with it, I think. So we should be all set and ready to go. It is Friday. Super excited about that. Oh yeah, tomorrow, after riding all day, my buddy Brian, you saw him in the video yesterday. We went to St. Patty's Day party at his house. He got us tickets for a Pink Floyd tribute band, and I guess they're spectacular. I don't know, I've never seen them, but I've heard lots of great things about them. They're in concert over here, not too far away from the house, so we're gonna go check that out tomorrow night as well. So thank you, Brian, for that. That should be a blast. Cannot wait to go hang out with them. And I mean, it's Pink Floyd music, how do you go wrong, right? So I'm excited about that. So it's a busy weekend, and I'm saying so a lot. Anyway, I'm off of here. I'm gonna go grab some coffee, and we'll see you in a little bit. Whew, what a day. Friday is almost over. I'm out here getting the oil changed on Silver. I just took her around the block to get her all heated up, and probably a little further than around the block. Just took her for a ride, let's put it that way. Got her all heated up. Now I'm draining out all the oils, getting all that first 500-mile oil out of there, and getting some fresh oil in her before we take our ride tomorrow. Mama Badger got a new phone holder, so I'm getting that set up, seeing how we like it. The phone holders we have now work really well, but they're kind of flimsy. Like, we've had a couple of them break on us, and you know, the phones keep getting more expensive. I think the last phones were like $1,200 or some shit like that. So, you know, to have something that is more durable for our $1,200 phones, we decided was a good idea. So we got Mama a new phone holder. I got a new one too. I haven't put it on yet because my old one works fine. I'll do that before we take our big ride, but tomorrow I'll just leave the old one on. I got to pull off the tuner. I'm set, I'm good, I'm tuned, it's running good. I'm gonna leave it as it is. So I'm gonna pull all that off, pull the O2 sensors out, and put them all back in the box. So when I need them next time, they're ready to go. And since my bike doesn't run O2s, there's no need for me to leave them on there, so I'll get them off and get to rolling there. Tomorrow, we're gonna be gone all day. So we got an all-day ride, we're riding to lunch, we're meeting some friends. Then we're riding back, and we're meeting our friends to go to the Pink Floyd concert. So should be a good, fun, full day. And then Mama Badger's like, so under her bike I saw a drop of oil. I'm like, crap, what's leaking? So her primary cover is leaking. In fact, it looks like the gasket is kind of pushed out the bottom. I have no idea how that happened, but anyway, so I've got to do that on Sunday. She'll be fine, it's not leaking bad, so we'll take it tomorrow. Then Sunday I will get that changed before we take any big trips, and make sure that she is, you know, ready to rock. But we were just talking, and we literally have like 2 weeks. Next weekend's the 1st of April, then we got like the 7th and 8th of April, and then the 14th through the 16th we're over on the other coast for Today Junior, no, Tortuga Music Festival for 3 days with Brian and Christina and our friend Sally. So we've got that weekend, which is like our, I don't know, our last blowout fun no work weekend, because then the weekend after that we will be in Arkansas for spring fling, and then my birthday's like that next week, and then we don't know for sure yet. We have not decided, but we've been invited to go to Nebraska for a combat vet ride, and we really want to go. We're still trying to figure out if it makes sense, and you know, we have time to do it. So they really want us there. We really want to help. We'll just see whether it works out or not. But anyway, I digress. That is today. That's Friday. Tomorrow's Saturday. Super excited for a day of just meeting new people, having some fun, and going to Pink Floyd. And then hopefully I'll get the oil changed on Silver. Silver really needs a bath. I don't know if I'll wait. I'll probably do that Sunday. That way Silver is all ready to go. Hopefully I have zero issues. I'm gonna ride, I don't know, 300 or 400 miles tomorrow. I think it's 169 miles there. So if that's true, then we're gonna be what, 300 plus miles tomorrow. So that should be a good day of kind of testing, tuning, making sure that Silver is ready to go. Anywho, I'm rambling. I've got stuff I gotta get done, and we will see you tomorrow.